Hi, I'm Evie Plum from Canada Life. Get the discount you love whenever you like with the Canada Life app. When you buy our life insurance cover, we will reward you with over 1,000 discounts all bundled into one easy-to-use app. That means you'll get big savings at the brands you love, including Currys, Tesco's, John Lewis, Starbucks and many more. You'll get exclusive discounts on your daily essentials and treats, such as days out with the family, dining out, clothes, shopping, paying the bills and your gym membership. And that's not all. We know the best things in life are free. That's why we give our customers free access to 24/7 counselling service and 8,000 wellbeing toolkits and podcasts to help you stay on top form. Simply buy your life insurance with Canada Life and we'll send you an exclusive sign-up code in the post. This quick demo talks you through the Canada Life app and how it can save you money. To start, you can personalise your experience by choosing wellbeing topics from body, mind, finances, relationships and work. Your choices are completely confidential and can only be seen by you. The centre point of the experience is the personalised newsfeed. Here you can view news about your health and well-being, including how to reduce stress and tips for getting a good night's sleep. The app suggests content around the areas you want to learn more about. In this example, your 3-minute snackable wellbeing article focuses on the connection between thought and mood. Once you're finished reading, click thumbs up or thumbs down. This personalises the content to ensure you're getting the most relevant articles in your newsfeed. We've worked with clinical experts to create an extensive library of wellbeing articles to help support you. Here's an article that focuses on quick tips for spending less. The Life section gives you access to thousands of trusted articles, videos and toolkits. Search for any topic to access more trusted content. This search takes you to a podcast on practicing mindfulness. At any time, if you feel like you need extra support, you can always call the confidential counselling number 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. You have exclusive access to over 1,000 discounts, saving you money on everyday essentials and important events in your life. With online cashback, discounted gift cards, cinema discounts and in-store discounts, you can save hundreds each year on your favourite brands. Saving money with gift cards is simple. Simply enter the amount you want to purchase and we provide a discount immediately. Here you can see a £10 gift card only costs £9.30. Payment is quick and easy. Once the purchase is complete, you will receive a code via email, or you can access it directly from the app. The codes link to the retailer's app, making the whole experience seamless. Online cashback saves you money on online purchases. Just find the retailer you're interested in. In this instance, you can save 20% off on all Adidas purchases. Tap Shop Now to visit the retailer and make the purchase. We will track the purchase securely and you will receive your cashback in your personal digital wallet, where we will keep a record of all of your purchases. You can also save up to 25% on cinema tickets. You just need to select the cinema of your choice and the discount you want. The exclusive offers section provides many special offers, only available on this app. These offers help you spend less on everyday purchases, such as mobile phone bills, utilities and days out. Thank you for taking the time to find out how you can save big with the Canada Life app.